Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow computer.
Let's start drawing.
At the beginning, I'm going to draw a screen. Now let's draw a simple keyboard. And some buttons. And a mouse next to it. I draw a line here. Finally, let's draw a cute face for it. I draw two cute eyes. And his smiling mouth. I love it!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
For the coloring, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow. I colored the outside of the keyboard with light green. Dark green. I colored the inside of the screen with light blue. For the mouse, I use a little dark blue. Light purple. Purple. And pink. For the keyboard buttons, I'm going to use the rainbow colors again. Red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple, and pink. Finally, I add a little purple in the background. Excellent!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.